In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Google Drive on Mac. To get started, open your preferred web browser on your Mac and go to your Google Drive homepage. Once the page loads, make sure you're signed in to the Google account you want to use with Drive. This is important because the installation prompt is tied to your current Google Drive session, and it helps make the setup process smoother right from the beginning. When you're on the Google Drive home screen, take a look near your browser's address bar or URL area. You should see a small icon that looks like a computer with an arrow. This is the install prompt for the Google Drive app. Depending on the browser you're using, the icon may appear slightly differently, but it will generally be easy to spot once you know what you're looking for. If you don't see it immediately, give the page a moment to fully load and check carefully around the top of the browser window. Once you find that computer with arrow icon, click on it. This will open an Install App pop-up window. This pop-up is your browser confirming that Google Drive can be installed directly onto your Mac from the page you're viewing. It's a quick way to begin the installation without needing to search for the app somewhere else. In the Install App pop-up window, click Install. After that, your Mac and browser will begin the installation process for Google Drive. Depending on your internet speed and browser settings, this may happen almost instantly or take a short moment. If your Mac asks for permission during the process, go ahead and approve it so the installation can continue normally. Once the app is installed, it may open automatically, or you may find it in your applications folder. From there, you can continue signing in and setting up your Google Drive preferences if needed. If the app doesn't launch right away, don't worry. That can happen sometimes. Just open it manually and continue with the on-screen prompts. That's all it takes to install Google Drive on a Mac using the browser install option. It's a simple process, and once it's set up, it makes accessing and syncing your files much more convenient. If you're following along, just take it one click at a time, and you should be up and running in no time.